ready to unlock a game-changing payment option that can seriously boost your Stan Store sales. Let's dive into how to add Afterpay in just a few easy steps. First, log into your Stan Store account. Navigate to your store settings. It's usually found in the bottom left corner. Look for a section labeled Payment Options or something similar. Now, this is where Stripe comes in. Stan Store uses Stripe to process payments, so you'll need to enable Afterpay within your Stripe account. Head over to your Stripe dashboard. Then go to the Payment Methods settings, find Afterpay on the list, and activate it. Back in your Stan Store settings, you should now see Afterpay listed as an available payment method. Simply toggle the switch to enable it. You might see options to configure things like minimum and maximum order values for Afterpay. Adjust those to fit your business. Now, let's optimize the customer experience. Make sure Afterpay is clearly displayed on your checkout page, and consider adding a badge or logo near your product descriptions to let customers know they can shop now, pay later. This can significantly increase your conversion rate. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Afterpay into your Stan Store. Keep an eye on your sales analytics to see the impact, and get ready to see that conversion rate climb. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Stan Store tips and tricks.